एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। फाइनली इतने महीनों के इंतजार के बाद ये रूम टूर यहाँ पे है। लेकिन पता है एक्चुअली महीनों का इंतजार आपका तो था ही वेट करने का, मेरा बचपन का इंतजार है टू हैव अ रूम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस साइज एंड नॉट जस्ट हैव वन रूम, आई एक्चुअली हैव टू रूम्स। वन वॉज द मास्टर बेडरूम विच यूज टू बी माई रूम, पर उसको मैंने अभी स्टूडियो स्पेस बना लिया है क्योंकि काम तो करना ही है। एंड देन आई टुक दिस रूम एंड दिस इज माई बेडरूम। वेलकम टू माई रूम। आई एम गोइंग टू टेक यू through all the corners and I'm going to tell you मैंने कहाँ से क्या लिया in case you want to buy and मैं क्या सोच रही थी before I did my room. So I hope you guys like my room. I hope you enjoy it and yeah, चलो start करते हैं. So when you enter, there's this beautiful rug and I have my monstera, I don't know how it's pronounced, my plant. Side table, this is from Top Brass. What they do is they make everything brass and they make really beautiful minimal pieces for your home. They were really kind enough to send me this. So that's my table. Uske upar I always have a pani ka jar, portable speaker, and it looks like a TV. It's so cute. It's a portable speaker. You can just put your phone under and it looks like a tiny TV. It's called my own TV. So there's that and those are the only two things that I have on my table. I always have my phone on my side table and my charger and stuff. So wo maine rakha nahi because we have to keep the room clean. So this beautiful plant and all the plants in my house I got from plantscart.in. They are a website that sells plants without any plastic packaging of any sort and they're my friends from school. So I got all of my plants from them. You can get it too if you live in Delhi NCR area. This beautiful golden watch, it was such a beautiful minimalist piece. ये मेरे से टूट गई है तो ये चलती नहीं है, but I anyway look at my time from my phone. I got this from Jaipur. It's from a store called Agora and it's a multi-designer boutique. So all of this is locally made. We have to move on to my bed and my bedding. I am so like beyond excited about my bedding. First of all, as you can see, it is all white. It gives me the feel of being in a hotel ka room, especially with ye lining wali chaddar. But I am genuinely so excited about it. So I went to Home Center. Yes, I went to Home Center, got all of this bedding, cushions, everything from there. There were a couple of cushions I ordered from Amazon as well. And I also want to talk to you about my mattress. My mattress is one of the most amazing mattresses I've ever used in my life. So I'm gonna give you a detailed look at my mattress, but just look at how thick this baby is. This is from Flow Mattress and this is a queen size bed, so it's a queen size mattress. It is so comfortable. You know, when you talk about memory foam, when you talk about all of these fancy mattresses, they all come at a really high expensive price and it can become very expensive. Like lots of times people buy like more expensive mattresses than their beds, and Flow Mattresses, they just sell their mattresses at such reasonable prices for the one of the best qualities ever. I've had the most peaceful sleep on these mattresses ever since I started using these mattresses, and there are a lot of cool things that you can do with this mattress. I'm going to insert a clip of me trying this mattress out for the first time. It's that cool कि अगर आप यहाँ उस कॉर्नर पे एक ग्लास रखोगे किसी भी चीज़ से भरा हुआ और अगर आप यहाँ कूदोगे वो ग्लास मूव तक नहीं करेगा because all of that impact your mattress is going to take. So I actually tried it. I was so impressed by that claim. I actually tried it. I am going to insert a clip of it right here. Just like oh! एक और चीज़ जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है अपने रूम में वो है ये ब्यूटिफुल सा नियॉन साइन दैट हैज लिटिल मिस गुरुंग रिटन ऑन इट. अभी इसका ना वायर इज ब्लैक एक्चुअली, जो अडेप्टर और प्लग है, सो आई पुट इट पीछे, बट दिस डज लाइट अप. यू मस्ट हैव सीन दिस इन माय बर्थडे व्लॉग. आई एम गोइंग टू लिंक इट हियर. ऑन द साइड आई हैव अ बुक शेल्फ. ये शेल्फ मैंने और पापा ने खुद असेंबल किया था. आई डोंट नो, इट्स अ वेरी गुड फीलिंग अगर आप अपना खुद का थोड़ा सा भी कंस्ट्रक्ट कर रहे हो फर्नीचर. So what I've done is I've styled this shelf बहुत ही जितना मैं clean रख सकती थी उतना. So this is just all of the diaries that I use. This one is from Jaipur again. It's a handmade diary. ये वाला भी handmade print है. I got some new diaries. I have this beautiful showpiece which is this camera, and of course because I shoot, a camera means a lot to me. So this is also brass, and this is also from Top Brass. And also I'm gonna try and link every single thing that I show you in the room in the description box, so in case you want to buy you can. So इस corner पे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. I have a snake plant. I have these beautiful jute bags, ये मैंने Amazon से लिया था. Now I wanted white पर्दास, और white पर्दा में ये थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है जहाँ पे आपको light भी मिले और सुंदर भी लगे और धूप से भी बचाए. So this is a beautiful cotton पर्दा. Okay, so what I have done is, because इस रूम में इतनी प्यारी धूप आती है, I also wanted a place where I could just sit down, which is not my bed, and have my coffee. So sometimes I bring my beanbag over here, and on other days I will just sit on this sofa. ये sofa actually हमारे पुराने घर से इसलिए छोटा सा है. These are really beautiful macrame plant hangers. This is something that I'm very proud of because ये मैंने पूरा दिमाग लगा के DIY किया है. This beautiful mirror is from Top Brass, as I mentioned before. They sent me the side table, that beautiful camera wala showpiece, and they sent me this mirror. I put nakli money plant ka wo leaf. The tabletop again is very minimal. Clear glass, a flower, 2 flowers nakli. I have my tissue box because ये ज़रूरत पड़ जाती है, and then I have my 2 beautiful scented candles which make my room smell so good. I assembled these tables all on my own. 2 दिन लगाए 2 tables बनाने के लिए. Miscellaneous चीज़ें ना भी घर पे जो अजीब चीज़ें होती है लेकिन आपको चाहिए होती हैं, वो सारी यहाँ पर है. Little corner gets covered when you open the door. तो इसमें कुछ दिखता नहीं है. So I just have a plant and I have another jute bag, and yeah, that is my complete room. However, the video is not over. I want to take you to my studio room. So chal, let's go. My studio room is actually right बगल में, and funnily, it also has a Christmas sock because mom. So now let's get inside the bigger room, which is my studio room. Okay, so this is my second room, which is actually the biggest room in the house. और ये actually मेरा room हुआ करता था, but क्योंकि हमारे पास यहाँ पे depth ज़्यादा था, so we decided to make this into a studio. This is what the setup is typically. मेरा पीछे chart paper background लगा रहता है. So right now I have the white one on. I also have another background. I have a couple more options. So this is the chair that I'm always sitting on. ये actually मेरी vanity की chair है, but I use it for the shooting process. सामने मेरा कैमरा लगा हुआ है, the one that I shoot with. I'm shooting with a different camera right now. This is typically what my light setup looks like, and it's a 3 light setup. And yeah, that's all there is to say. This is एक बहुत प्यारा सा tree जिसमें पूरा ये lights जलती हैं. And a lot of people ask me about it. I got this because it's a really nice height and it makes for a really good prop when you're shooting because it kind of matches the height at which you're sitting. I got this from Store 99. This table I am again very proud of because Papa and I built this table, got this from Amazon as well. If you look a little over here, you will see that I have a clothing rack. I'm doing a fashion shoot. What I will do is I will put all of my clothes here जो मुझे चाहिए, so that it's very easy for me to like just pick out whatever clothes is it that I want. This is the other side, which is the nice, प्यारा, interesting side, which is my vanity table. का tour हम separately करेंगे. मैं बस ये बता रही थी कि I got this custom made from Pachkoya. मैंने design दिया, उनको size बताया exactly, and it just fits this wall perfectly. Again, if you guys want a tour, you have to let me know in the comments, and I'm going to give you a detailed tour of how I store my makeup, what all makeup I have, and basically एक vanity का tour. But that will be a separate video. आपको मुझे description में बताना पड़ेगा. And yeah, that is the end of this room tour. Also यहाँ पे और कुछ नहीं है. यहाँ पे I have my almirahs which are not enough. खोल के नहीं दिखाने वाली, बहुत मेसी है. यहाँ पर मेरा बाथरूम है. So इस रूम में and mom dad के रूम में बाथरूम अंदर ही है, और जिस रूम को मैंने अभी अपना रूम बना लिया है उसका बाथरूम बाहर है. I just want to thank every single brand that has ever sent me anything to, you know, make a part of my home. Having a bigger space has always been a very big, I don't know, a big dream of mine. तो अपना घर में तो शायद थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, देखते हैं, हो जाएगा वो भी. पर ये स्पेस एक काफ़ी वेलकम चेंज था हमारी सबकी लाइफ में, मॉम डैड और मेरी. एंड इस स्पेस ने हमको बहुत हैप्पी किया है, हमें बहुत दिया है. I have been able to interact with more and more of you guys through this space because of how much bigger it is than where we used to live. And it's just such a it's just a happy experience sharing this with you guys. And yeah, that is it for this room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe. Please like the video if you like the video. Let me know what was your favorite part of either one of the rooms, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye. Love you.